Hello there everybody. Today we are making a snappy little video on 5 spices that cause you to get more fit. First of all, the endeavors of an eating regimen can be helped by the activity of 5 characteristic spices, which quicken the way toward losing fat. They are a magnificent supplement to an eating routine stage consolidating physical movement and a reasonable eating regimen. Find the 5 plants that cause you to shed pounds. 1. Mate. Mate has a significant resource for well-being. It is exceptionally wealthy in caffeine. Its activity is fundamental on lipids, fats, and sugars, which are rapidly scorched. It is found in South America, where it is normally devoured as an implantation of mate leaves. 2. Guarana. Guarana contains an amazing measure of caffeine in every one of its seeds. It is a characteristic food that has an unfathomable lift in catecholamines and adrenaline. The arrival of these hormones along these lines rouses the body in an expanded manner, so as to consume and kill fat productively. 3. Green tea. Green tea, on account of its diuretic properties, is a viable thinning specialist. Green tea leaves are surely wealthy in caffeine, and their activity devastates fat rapidly, particularly alleged hold fats, a genuine scourge that causes abundance weight. 4. The sovereign of the knolls. To thin down and retain cellulite, meadowsweet is a truly appropriate plant. Because of its substance wealthy in potassium salts, it disposes of water rapidly. It is suggested for thinning, consumes less calories. 5. Dandelion. In the group of purifying plants, the dandelion is likewise a partner of decision. It permits the body to effectively deliver its poisons. Also, on account of its diuretic properties, it advances the processing of fats and directs the glucose level in the body. Well, we come to the end of the video. As last advice, try these plants and look at the results, and do not worry about your health. All these tips and ingredient, it's natural. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video on grandmother's tips. Peace upon you.